Good morning, everyone. I am up here in Koreatown. Somebody asked me, hey, would you take a walk down through Koreatown? Sure. It's been a while since I've walked down through here, over a year. I'll show you what's kind of changed here. This main road here, this is Friendship, no, this is Perimeter Road. You can see here. That takes you out to the back gate. This is the main intersection here. This is Friendship Highway, Friendship Road, whatever you want to call it. Right across the street there, Burger King. Now that's new. Last time I filmed up here, that was a building. I think there was a massage place in there. Now that's been torn down about a year, and Burger King is in there. So now we have, I could think of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Burger Kings. 5 Burger Kings that I know of. Royal Club across the street there. They got these here. Koreatown. Nothing on the monument. Not that I'm aware of. Oh, right here. Whatever that is. Oh, sorry. Almost got run over. Thank you. So let's find out what's going down in Koreatown. Dine in. Good morning. Samgyeopsal. It is around 10 o'clock, maybe, something like that. Nice little breeze. Not too hot. South Star Drug. Got all the Korean, what do you call it? Lettering on everything here. Mini shabu shabu. Oh, I gotta watch while I'm walking. Keep my eye on the sidewalk. Household and living goods. Boy, I'm really stumbling on these sidewalks. I guess I'm not used to walking on sidewalks. A lot of these are closed right now. I guess I don't know if they open later. Morning.
Morning, sir.
How are you? All right. At night it looks completely different. Everything's lit up. It's really cool looking. Now, there's a deli up here on the left I'm gonna check out. It's a grocery store. Massage places, airline tickets. You see, they have the sidewalks, but they have divots in the sidewalk for the cars to pull in. So you always gotta watch. Beer Carnival. Hello, good morning. Grand Building Fun Mall. Ken Massage. Hotel Vanna. It's a red doors. I see a lot of these red doors. Oh, there it says red door. There it says Hotel Vanna. Medical City. Good morning. I don't know what this, the Masti's restaurant. Cold brew coffee, fresh bread. Morning. Hank. Music. Hear music. Good morning. That's coming from there. APU, APU, APU. Perishable goods. PTV, what's up guys? All right. Thank you.
Koreatown.
Koreatown.
Yes. Welcome to our vlog.
Salamat. Thank you.
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay. Huh? Okay. Thank you. Philly in the Philippines.
Yes.
Philly in the Philippines. Admin.
Admin. Here.
All right.
Traffic.
Okay.
Parking boy.
I don't know what he said. EJ building. Morning. Just a bunch of building or a bunch of stores in there. Korean number bakery, Korean bread, Philippine bread. Trying to find one deli. Went to this one deli down here one time, American deli, and I think I had a sandwich in here, but it was good. You could pick up deli meat, cheese meat. I'm just trying to remember where it's at. I know it is here on the left hand side. One of these bikes. It's the grocery store there. It's a High Mart. You see High Mart. Yeah, let me see, BDO. That's it right there, H&W Delicatessen. All right, so I'm inside and you can see they have all these cheeses here. American cheese, American white cheddar, Swiss, all kinds, California orange, provolone, Dutch, sage, you see it. This is probably the most meat I've ever, or cheese I've ever seen in one little deli. And here's their meats. Smoked ham, hickory smoked turkey breast, turkey ham, meatloaf, garlic ham, honey ham, forest ham, salamis, all kinds of good stuff. It's nice. Then they have some other goodies for sale. This is it. It's a small little place. They've got, I've been here before, like I said, been a while. Had a sandwich. You doing dine-in yet, or you doing dine-in meals, or
yeah, but
you still are? It's in back here was where back here was where they.
White section here. Yes.
I know you could sit down in here and eat. Still allowed or not?
Not allowed.
Not allowed yet. They got frozen goods here. Camera picks it up pretty good. Here's where you could sit and eat, but she said not now. They got wines back here. All right, so there it is once again. H&W Delicatessen. It's right. You got the BDO Bank here on the left. Hello. Bank right here. BDO Bank here on the left, and it's right in this area right here. Down by 7-Eleven. You can see the 7-Eleven up here on the left. Really nice, friendly people. Well, everybody's friendly for the most part, right? What else is going on down here? Suka Suka. Chicken and Korean food. Suka Suka. 101 Top Wings. Buffalo wings. Wow. Top wings. I've never... Maybe this is new. 101 Top Wings. Check it out. Buffalo wings from Georgia, USA. Wow. Hello. Good morning. Takeout, delivery. Let me see what they have in here. Well, this is pretty neat here. Good morning. Is this new? What time do you open? 9:30. What time is it? $10:45.
10:30.
You open at 10:30. Okay.
Sorry, sir.
That's okay. I just walked by and I seen it and I figured I'd stop in and look. All right. That's pretty cool. I haven't, first time I've seen it, she said owned by a foreigner. I'm definitely gonna have to try that out. I found like one place that has pretty decent wings. You know, once again, it's one of those, the kind of wings I like and the sauce I like might not be the kind that you like. It you know how that is. I like something you don't like, you know, but I'm gonna have to try that out. I found one place, and it was actually, it's a place called Spanglish up on Clark. They sell Mexican food there, or Spanish, Mexican food, whatever. And they have wings up there, and I like their wings. So I miss them wings from back in America. Do I want to walk down, keep walking down further, or just cross the road and walk up the other side? I think I'll just cross the road here and walk up the other side.
Hello. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah. We're going to check my house.
Huh?
You want to check the wall?
Check the what?
Yeah.
Checking around.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's check around. Oh yeah.
This is my lady.
Huh?
This lady. I just bad.
Huh?
The bar, just got all the water.
Check the bars.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's inside?
What's in the bars?
What's one of my dad, American.
Huh?
No, American is my dad. He said I eat a dirty.
Ah.
When they down.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
Have a good one. No clue what he said, guys. I know I heard bar, I heard girls, and oh, pharmacy, Andy's Chicken and Barbecue. Oh, and they're spraying. Let me get out of the way here. They're spraying that misty, disinfectant stuff in the air right now through here. Asian long distance sprayer. See that? I gotta go away. I don't want that all over me. Got the cars following it, getting sprayed up. Yeah, that's what they're doing. Sugar Bake Shop. Friendship Sugar Bake Shop. Let's see what he's selling. Ah, these are these little... I've had them before. Goto, I forget how you pronounce that. Hello.
Vlog.
What are you selling?
Siomai, sir. And
Siomai.
also, we have dishes. This is chicken. After
And
that,
chicken. Okay. All right. Thank you. Food delivery. I've had them before. Not necessarily them there, but I've eaten them. Siomai. Different flavors. They're pretty good. Good morning. Jug's Kitchen. They got side streets here with little stores. Hotel there. Norang Chicken. Oh, there he is, the old chicken dude. That's Mercedes, huh? What is this? Sangani restaurant. Sangani restaurant. I don't know how to pronounce half these names. Korean Grill House. Building. That's that fun mall. Bites of China, it says. Say Jong East Medical Center Pharmacy PhilHealth. Take out. No clue what that says. No clue. Here we got a little sorry store the guy has set up. Coming up on the Happy Duck restaurant. Welcome. Open 24 hours. Happy Duck Restaurant. Unlimited samgyeopsal. 350 pesos. 350 pesos. There's a lot of them unlimited samgyeopsals for a certain price. Even downtown in Angeles. Some of them are good. Some of them are pretty bad. Usually I've learned that the big fancy looking ones, you know, the big fancy looking buildings and big splashy signs, a lot of times I found them not to be that good. Just the little ones off the beaten path are the ones that I found are pretty good. Then you got the hotel here, Royal Club 9, and we're back to where we started. So that's just a little stroll. I'm gonna stand in the shade here. So that's just kind of like a little stroll up through Koreatown here. Like I said, somebody asked me if I would walk down through here, and yeah, why not? Be somewhere to walk. This guy, he wants to blow his horn in his jeepney there. So anyways, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the walk, and take care of yourself, each other, your loved ones, the sick, the elderly, and we'll talk to you later.